What's up, YouTube and Atmosphere? This is my second video trying to fix my damn hub motor. Everyone in Atmosphere has been so nice responding to my videos, so I thought I'd make another one. So this is pretty much what we got going on here, or how the problem all started. Pretty much how it all started is this bike, the e-bike fell over in the rain, and the wire just got chopped off right here on the sharp little axle edge. So I soldered everything all back together, and everything worked. Awesome, right? And the only thing that changed is it fell over again while I was kind of working on it, and it chipped this one little red wire right here that I soldered back together. I believe with the continuity tester, though, I tested it and everything seemed to work fine. So it could be that little suspicious red wire right there that's maybe messing everything up. And as you can see in here, all those things are pushed in snugly. You know, just push them in with the screwdriver, nice and snug. Good. What else here? As you can see, it's not the battery. The battery has all the lights are on. Check. And if you listen closely enough, you can still hear the clicking noise. So lights are okay. Fuse seems to be intact in there. Don't see why it would be that. Battery's fully charged. It's definitely not that. It's supposed to be something to do with one of these wires. Alright, well, time to get out the voltmeter again and see what I can find.